Hello everyone, another day, another legal learning. Karon, we will answer a message na gisend sa atua from a friend. Muna ang message. So, what is loafing? According to the Civil Service Commission rules, loafing is defined as the frequent, unauthorized absences from duty during official working hours. Or, loafing commonly refers to as the idling or wasting away of time during official hours without valid reason. So what are examples of loafing? Prolonged chika or marites with your colleagues. Silag pasuwat, bisag mas mayo magklase. Tulog. Or doing personal errands during official hours. Pwede sad, frequent absences without valid reason. Or failure to perform assigned tasks repeatedly. Or, instead na magklase, masig ato sa opisina, masig sumbong sa mga kauban na naunsa na sila. Kana, it is a kind or form of loafing. So, unsay buhaton na to if ever our colleagues or our superior already engaged in loafing? Pwede ta mo file og administrative case of neglect of duty or loafing using 2025 Rules on Administrative Cases in the Civil Service or RACS. Or if you're a school head, you may also first issue an NTA or notice to explain to your subordinates para maka-explain siya nga nung nag-loafing siya. And after which, initiate formal investigation under DepEd Order 49 Series 2006. Loafing is under the light offense, meaning penalty niya if first offense, reprimand. Second offense, suspension, possibly 1 to 30 days. And third offense, dismissal from the service. But take note, there is a case decided by the Supreme Court, Administrative Matter number P-10-2865, Roman versus Fortaleza. Supreme Court suspended a clerk of court for 6 months without pay due to loafing, citing a reason that this is a serious breach of duty. Remember that case. So, I hope this video helped us understand what is loafing. Basta yung kitag loafing, it connotes frequent. Dili pwede kausara. Kinahanglan, more than once niyang gibuhat. So, again, if you want to know and learn more videos relating to educational law, please like, share, and follow for more updates. Again, thank you so much for watching and God bless.